Hello everyone, welcome to SSC CMONK. Today in this class we will be covering top 500 questions part 4. If you are joining for the first time, we have already completed top 3 parts. You can check it in the playlist. Now in this particular part we will be covering time, speed and distance, all these topics, then algebra, geometry and statistics. Everything most important, most frequently asked concepts will be covered. Now, if you are joining for the first time, then my name is Jyotiprakash. I have cleared and get selected in all these examination in my very first attempt while being an working aspirant, and I have been teaching in SSC Monk channel from last 1 year, and I'm trying to share my experience of clearing each and every exam in my first attempt. So without wasting time, let's start guys. Now this is our very first question. It is saying places A and B are 20 km apart on the highway. A car starts from point A and another from point B at the same time. If the car travels the same direction at a different speeds, they meet in 1 hour. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 12 minutes. What are the speeds? Now understand this. What is saying that here is point A, here is point B. Distance between these two is 20 km. Okay. Now it is saying a car starts from A, another B. That's okay. If the car travels in the same direction and different speed, they meet one in 1 hour. That means let's say car A is moving in this direction, car B is moving in this direction. Total distance 20. Relative speed is equal to, let's say, speed of A minus speed of B. That is equal to what? 1 hour. That means speed of A minus speed of B is equal to what? 20 by 1 hour, that is 20 km per hour. Clear? Now it is saying if they travel towards each other, that means A is coming this direction, B is coming in this direction, total distance 20. Now relative speed will be SA plus SB because of opposite direction, that is equal to 12 minutes. 12 minutes can be written as 12 by 60 hours or 1 by 5 hour. Yes or no? Yes. Or I can write, if I cross multiply, SA plus SB is equal to 20 into 5 is equal to 100. Now I have two equation. In this two equation, if I add SA, SB, SB crossed out, 2SA is equal to 100 plus 20, 120. So the speed of A is equal to 120 by 20 is equal to 60 km per hour. If speed of A is 60 km per hour, speed of B is speed A minus 60 minus speed B is 20. So speed B is equal to 40 km per hour. Answer option A. Clear? Next. A thief is spotted by a policeman from a distance of 195 meters. When the policeman starts the chase, the thief also starts running. If the speed of the thief is 22 km per hour and that of policeman is 27 per km per hour, then how far would the thief have run in meter before he is overtaken? Now understand. Before you solve this question, you need to understand that this question, the answer should be in meter. That means I need to convert these two things into meter. Clear? Sorted. Now the distance to be covered is 195. Now what is happening? Speed of thief is this, speed of policeman is this. So I can write 27 minus 22 multiply by kilometer to be converted into meter per second. Clear? 5 by 18. Simple as it is. Now this can be written as 195 divided by 27 minus 5, 22 is equal to 5 into 5 multiply by 18. Done. 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45. Clear? Now this is what? Sir, this is equal to my time. This is the time it will take to catch the thief. Now understand, thief was over here and he started running at 22 km per hour, means 22 into 5 by 18 meter per second, and it run for this many time. Yes or no? Yes. So total distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is this much, time is 39 into 18 divided by 5. 5 gone, 18 gone. Distance is equal to 22 into 13, 78 858 meter. Answer option C. Clear? Done. Next. A motorboat takes 18 hours to go downstream and it takes 36 hours to return the same distance. Okay. So let's say downstream speed divided by downstream distance divided by speed of boat minus speed of stream. Sorry, this is plus is equal to what? 18 hours. We are talking about downstream. Now in upstream, Distance divided by speed of boat minus speed of stream is equal to what? 36 hours. Clear? It is saying what is the ratio of speed of boat in the still water to the speed of the stream. Now let's say here I can write SB plus speed of stream is equal to D by 18, and here I can write SB minus speed of stream is equal to D by 36. Yes or no? If I add, it will be 2 speed of boat is equal to speed of stream is gone. This can be written as DD common. Here 36 2 plus 1, that is equal to D into 3 by 36 or 1 by 12. Yes or no? SB 2SB is equal to this much. So SB is equal to D by 24. If SB is D by 24, then speed of stream is equal to D by 18 minus D by 24. Now LCM is equal to 72, 4, 3, D by 72. So speed of B is D by 24. Ratio speed of stream, that is D by 72. D gone, 72 will go to the upper part, 24 in the lower part. So this is equal to 3 by 1. Answer option B. Clear? Sorted? Next. Suppose P starts walking at the speed of 8 km per hour. After 8 hours, B started traveling on a bicycle at the speed of 24 km per hour. The distance from the starting B can catch A is what? See, it is saying here instead of P, it will be B, A, okay? So let's say, suppose A starts walking at the speed of 8 km per hour. After 8 hours, B started traveling at the speed of 24 km per hour. Now the distance from the starting B can catch it. Now understand, so let's say A is starting from here for 8 hours, okay? So in 8 hours at the speed of 8 km per hour, it would have been crossed how many kilometers? 64 kilometers. Now total distance 64 kilometers divided by A and B are moving in the same direction. So relative speed will be speed of B minus speed of A, that is equal to 64 divided by 24 minus 8 is equal to 16, that is equal to 4 hour. So for how long it will take B to catch A? 4 hour. It is asking what? The distance from the starting B can catch A. So B is traveling at 24 km per hour for 4 hours. So total distance traveled is equal to 96 km. That is option C. Next. Two trains of length 150 and 250 meter run on a parallel lines. When they run on the same direction, they take 20 seconds to cross each other. Not an issue. When they run on the opposite direction, they take 5 seconds to cross each other. What is the speed of the two trains? Now understand, when we are talking about the speed of the train and they are crossing each other, means they are crossing the total distance. The total distance this is total distance, okay? Total distance crossed by two trains is equal to sum of length of two trains, okay? If you are a beginner, you need to understand this, otherwise repeaters know this, okay? So what happened? So when they are crossing each other, means total distance 150 plus 250, that is equal to 400 meter. Now they are covering 400 meter, and when they move in the same direction means what? They are, let's say, train A minus train B. This is the relative speed. So distance divided by time, that is equal to 20 seconds, which can be written as 20 meter per second. Yes or no? Yes. Now when they run opposite to each other, that means 400 divided by time 50 second is equal to TA plus TB. Yes or no? Yes. That is equal to what? Sir, 400 by 5 is equal to 80 meter per second. If I add both, TB is gone. So speed of train A is equal to 2 times speed of train is equal to 100 meter per second. Speed of train A is equal to 50 meter per second. When speed of train A is 50 meter per second, speed of train B is equal to what? Sir, speed of train B is equal to 30 meter per second. Now, here the speeds are given in kilometer per hour. Sir, here it is 50 meter per second. So I will simply multiply what? I will simply multiply 18 by 5 to it. 5 tens are 150. So 10 into 8 is equal to 180 km per hour. So one train speed is 180 km per hour. Another will be 18 by 5, 5 6 are 8, 30, 6 into 18 is equal to 108 km per hour. So answer option A is the right answer. Next, a thief is noticed by a policeman from a distance of 200 meters. The thief starts running and the policeman chases. The thief and the policeman run at a rate of 10 km per hour and 11 km per hour respectively. What is the distance between them after 9 minutes? See, this is very simple. I'm giving you as a homework because I have already solved this sort of question. Next, a bus travels. Now, before I move, I would like to clarify. See, you can learn from any teacher, even if Aryabhat will come and teach you. That does not guarantee success. The only thing that guarantees success is whatever you are learning, if you are putting it to practices. That's why I'm giving this homework. So don't think I am skipping the questions. It is for your own benefit. I have cleared the examination. I do not get benefited from this if I solve 100 questions. It is you who will be getting benefited from this. So try to solve these questions without skipping it. I want these answers in the comment if you are solving it. Okay. Now, a bus travels 1/3 of the distance initially at the speed of 40 km per hour. Perfect. The 1/3 next of the distance 50 km per hour and the final 1/3 of the distance is 60 km per hour. Find the average speed of the bus for the entire journey. Now understand, let's say this is the total distance and it has been divided into three parts. This is the D, D and D. Okay. So it is saying this part at 40 km per hour, this part at 50 km per hour and this part at 60 km per hour. Yes or no? Yes. So average speed is equal to what? Total distance. So D plus D plus D divided by total time. Sir, we know time is equal to distance by speed. Yes or no? Yes. So distance by speed plus distance by speed plus distance by speed. Sir, here it is 3D. Here D common. So D by 10 common. So I can write 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Yes or no? D gone. 10 will be on the upper side. So 30 divided by 4, 5, 6. LCM will be what? Sir, LCM will be 72. LCM will be what? 60. Sir, here it is 15. Sir, here it is 12. Sir, here it is 10. So here I can write 30 into 60 divided by 15 plus 10, 25 plus 12 is equal to 37. Yes or no? Sir, this can be written as 1800 by 37 kilometer per hour. Yes or no? Yes. So if I solve this, I'll get the answer. Sir, 37.5 is equal to is more than 1800 something, right? Because 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15. So it is 185. So answer will be less than 50. Now, second thing, 37.4 is equal to what? 148, 20, 148, 180 minus 148 is equal to what? 32, 0, 320. See, here it is 320 divided by 37. Sir, 37.8 is equal to what? 296. So, this will be 48.65 km per hour. Clear? Next. A motorboat traveling at some speed can cover 24 km upstream and 40 km downstream in 17 hours. And at the same speed, it can travel 32 km downstream and 12 km upstream in 10 hours. So 24 upstream, that means boat minus stream plus 40 km downstream, boat plus speed is equal to 17 hours. Here 32 km downstream, boat plus speed plus 12 km upstream, that is boat minus speed. So in order to solve it better, I will write it like this: 12 km upstream plus 32 km downstream is equal to 10 hours. Now I need to solve it. I will simply multiply by 2 here because that's why it will be crossed out. So this statement can be written as 24b minus s plus 64b plus s is equal to 20. When I take the difference, this will be gone. 64 minus 40 is equal to what? 24 by b plus s. 20 minus 17 is equal to what? 3. So I can write b plus s is equal to 24 by 3, that is equal to 8 km per hour. Yes or no? Yes. If b plus s is equal to 8 km per hour and if I apply this here. So 24b minus 7 plus 40 by 8, that is equal to 5 is equal to 17. Or I can write 24 divided by b minus s is equal to 17 minus 5, 12. Or I can write b minus s is equal to 24 by 12, that is equal to 2 km per hour. Sir, b plus s is equal to 8 km per hour, b minus s 2. So 2b, if I add it, I will get 10 km per hour. So the value of b is equal to 5 km per hour. If value of b is 5 km per hour, value of stream is equal to 3 km per hour, because b minus s is equal to 2. So what is the speed of stream? 3 km per hour. Done. Next. Akshara and Siddharth travel from point P to Q a distance of 72 km at the rate of 8 km per hour and 10 km per hour respectively. Siddharth reaches Q first and returns immediately. Not an issue. And meets Akshara at R. Find the distance from P to R. Now see, this is P, this is Q. Okay. In between there is a point R. Done. Now what happened? This total distance was what? 72. Total distance between P to Q. Clear? So what happened? First, Siddharth's speed was what? Because Siddharth is reaching Q first. So Siddharth started, reached Q and returned at the speed of 10 km per hour. Yes or no? Yes. So let's say Siddharth traveled 72 plus this distance, that is equal to x kilometer, at the speed of 10 km per hour. Whatever the time taken by Siddharth, that is equal to the time taken by Akshara to travel from P to this distance. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, distance is equal to total distance 72, but out of 72 x is remaining because Akshara has not reached to the Q point. It is here R. 72 minus x divided by Akshara speed is equal to 8. Done. Simple. Yes or no? That's all. If we solve it, we'll get the answer. Now 72 minus x, 72 plus x, 10, 8. So I can write 2 4s are 10. Sorry, 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. So if I cross multiply, this will be 4 into 72. This will be 5 into 72. 5 into 72 minus 4 into 72 is equal to 72. Here it is 5x, here it is 4x. 5x will come to this side, so this will be 9x. So the value of x is equal to 72 by 9, that is equal to 8. Now 8 is what? In kilometer. So this much distance is 8. Total distance is 72. So the distance between P to R is equal to 72 minus 8, that is equal to 64 km. Answer option B. Done. Next. A man can row a distance of 6 km in 1 hour in still water. He can row the same distance in 45 minutes with the current. Find the total taken by him to row a distance of 16 km with the current and to return to the starting point. Now understand. Total distance 6 km in 1 hour. Still water means only boat speed will be calculated. So speed of boat is equal to 6 km per hour. Now with current means here boat speed plus current speed is added. Total distance 6 is equal to 45 minutes divided by 60. It will be converted into hours. 5 9s are 45, 5 12s are 60, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 6 by b plus s is equal to what? 3 by 4. 3 2s are 6, or I can write b plus s speed is equal to 4 into 2 8. Out of which b speed is 6. So speed of stream is equal to 8 minus 6, that is 2 km per hour. Done. Yes. Now it is saying total time taken by him to row a distance of 16 km with current and return. So he will start from here, go for 16 km, then again return back to this point. So 16 by b plus s, 8 plus 16 by b minus s, that is 6 minus 2, 4, is equal to my total distance. 16 by 8, 2, 16 by 4, 4 is equal to 6 hours. So how long it take to reach to this point? 6 hours. Done. Next, a boat can travel 78 km upstream and back in total of 32 hours. It can travel 15 km upstream and 52 km downstream in a total of 9 hours. How much distance will the boat cover in 12 hours in still water? Now understand. So 78 kilometer upstream, that means boat minus stream, plus 78 downstream, that means boat plus stream, is equal to 32 hours. Travel 15 kilometer upstream plus 52 kilometer downstream, that is equal to 9 hours. Now see, 78, 52, they both are multiples of 13. So here it can be written as 13 into 4, 52, 13 into 6, 78. LCM 13 gone, 4, 6 remaining, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So total LCM is equal to 13 4 52 into 3 is equal to 165. So what I will do, I will multiply 2 over here, I'll multiply 3 over here. So what will be the total, sir? Here it will be 78 into 2 is equal to 156 divided by b minus x plus 156 divided by b plus x is equal to 64. Here 3. So 45 divided by boat minus speed plus 156 divided by boat plus 6 s is equal to 27. Now when I take out the difference, this is gone. So 156 minus 45 is equal to what? 111 divided by boat minus speed is equal to 64 minus 27, that is equal to 37. Sir, boat minus speed is equal to 111 by 37, that is equal to 3. Sir, when boat minus speed is 3, if I put that value over here, 15 by 3 is equal to 5. So 52 by b plus s is equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4. So boat plus speed is equal to 52 by 4, that is equal to 13. So I got the value of boat plus speed. I got the value of, sorry, this is 13. Boat minus speed. So value of boat is equal to 2b is equal to 13 plus 3, 16 by 2, that is 8. Say boat speed is 8 km and it is traveling for 12 hours. So total distance cover is equal to 12 into 8, that is 96 km. Answer option A. Done? Next. A thief takes off on his bike at a certain speed after seeing a police car at a distance of 250 meters. The police car starts chasing the thief and catches him. If the thief runs 1.5 km before being caught and the speed of the police car was 70 km, then what is the speed of the thief's bike in km per hour? Now understand. Total distance was 250 meter. Then thief run for how long? 1.5 km more, that means 1500 meter more. This total distance was traveled by the police. Yes or no? Yes. And then he caught the thief. So total distance divided by the speed of police 70, but here it is meter, here it is kilometer per hour. So it will be written as 5 by 18. Yes or no? Yes. So here it can be written as 1750 divided by 70 into 5 into 18. 0, 0 gone. 5 3s are 15. 2 5, 5 5s are 25. 7 5s are 35. 18 into 5 is equal to 90 second. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now 90 second the thief is running, because this is the total time total time taken by the police to run it. Yes or no? Yes. Now the only silly mistake that happens here is, you need to understand police was here. After 250 meter, thief was here. When thief look at the police car, it started running and the police started chasing. Now the distance covered by the police to reach to this thief was 90 seconds. But this 90 seconds was the distance covered by the thief won't be from the starting point to this point. Remember this, because this is the distance between this point and the catch point, that is equal to 1.5 kilometer or 1500 meter. So thief is running at 1500 meter divided by 90 meter per second. Answer is in kilometer per hour. So 18 by 5 multiplied. 18 5s are 90. 5 3s are 15. 5 6s are 30. So this is equal to 60 km per hour. Answer option B. Most of the time what you will do, you will simply do, sir, 1500 here, 250 here, 1750 by 90, and you messed up the whole calculation. You will make a silly mistakes over here. Got it? Next. A boatman rows to a place 30 km distant and back in 14 hours. He finds same question, so it is a homework. See, in boat and stream, the pattern will repeat itself. So there is nothing to worry about it. You need to solve more of this. That's why I'm giving you all this homework. Seema walks around a circular field at the rate of 3 rounds per hour, while Priya runs around at the rate of 8 rounds per hour. They start in the same direction from the same point at 11:54 p.m. They shall first cross each other at what? Now see, 8 rounds per hour, let's say this is the speed. 3 rounds per hour, this is the speed. Now, they are moving in the same direction. Yes or no? So basic, let's say length of the track is L. Okay. So here, one is running at 8L per hour, another is running at 3L per hour. This can be written as L divided by 8L minus 3L is equal to 5L per hour. So here it is R, or I can write 1 by 5R, which is equal to 60 by 5 minutes, that is equal to 12 minutes. So they will meet each other after how many minutes? First started at 11:54 p.m. plus 12 minutes, that is equal to 12:06 a.m. Remember this. Here it is p.m. Once you cross the 12 minutes, it will be AM. That is the mistake, silly mistake by most of the students. They will be committing this silly mistake. You need to be sure of this. Okay. This question is really silly, but if you do not look at it properly, you will commit this silly mistake. That is what it is all about. Next. M and N walk along a circular track. They start 5 p.m. from the same point in the opposite direction. Not an issue. M and N worked at the speed of 5 rounds per hour, 2 rounds per hour. Simple. Total distance L. Now they are in opposite direction. So 5 speed plus 2 speed L. That is equal to 1 by 7, which can be written as 60 by 7 minutes. Yes or no? That means after every this much minute they will be meeting. Sir, total time from 5 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. is equal to 1 hour 30 minutes. That is equal to 90 minutes divided by 60 by 7 minutes. 0 0 gone. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. That is equal to 21 by 2. That is equal to 10 times. They will be crossing each other 10 times before 6:30 a.m. Done? Next. Atul gives Vishu a head start of 20 seconds into 900 meter race and beats him by 135 meter. While running the same race again, Atul gives a start of 189 meter and beats him by 8 seconds. In how much time can Vishu complete the full race of 900 meter? Now, see, I know most of the students face this difficulty of head start and everything. Now understand this. When Atul is giving head start of 20 seconds, that means to Vishu. This means Vishu will run for 20 seconds first and then Atul will start. We consider this thing that Atul gives a start of 189 meter. That means here this means Atul gives a start of 189 meter means Vishu runs total distance of 900 minus 189 meter. Now let's solve this question. Okay, so what is happening? Let's say the time taken by Atul is equal to TA, time taken by Vishu is equal to TV. Clear? Now in the first time Vishu is running how much distance? 900 minus 135 because he is beating. So first race Vishu runs. See, for your understanding I am writing this. Okay, 900 minus 135, that is equal to 765 meter. And Atul is taking TA time running for 900 meter. Vishu is taking TV time and running for 765 meter. But Vishu is getting 20-second head start. That means Vishu is already running. Vishu is already running how much? Vishu is already running 20 seconds more than Atul. That means what? Time taken by Vishu is equal to time taken by Atul plus 20 seconds. Clear? Got it? Now it is saying, so I can directly write speed of Vishu is equal to distance 765 divided by TV, time taken by Vishu, or I can write time taken by Atul plus 20 second more. Done. In the second race, this will happen. In the second race, Vishu runs for 900 minus 189 less. That means 711 meter. And in the second race, Atul is beating Vishu by 8 seconds. That means the total distance covered by Vishu is 8 minutes more than Atul. Clear? So, the speed of Vishu in the second race is equal to this much. Clear? Now, in the first race and in the second race, speed of Atul and the time remained same, distance remained same. Clear? Now, let's solve this. Here, this is what speed. Here, this is speed. So, both the speed are equal. So, I can write 765 divided by time taken by Atul in first race plus 20 is equal to 711 divided by time taken by Atul plus 8. Now, understand this carefully. See here, if I cross multiply, I will get 765 into TA plus 8. Here it will be 711 into TA plus 20. 711, 765. Crossed out. So here it will be 54 TA is equal to 765 into 8 is equal to 711 into 12. So 711 into 12 is equal to 14220 minus 765 into 8 is equal to 8 5s are 40, 8 6 48 plus 4 52, 8 7s are 56 plus 5 61. That can be written as 100, 14 minus 6 810. Or I can write time taken by Atul is equal to 8100 by 54, 9 6 are 54, 9 9s are 81, 6 15s are 90, 80. Okay. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 300 by 2 is equal to 150 second. So the time taken by Atul is equal to 150 second. So time taken by Vishu is equal to 150 plus 20, that is 170. Now this 170 distance was covered by Atul in how many time? 765. So 765 divided by 170, or you can write 711 divided by 158. Whatever you will get the speed of Vishu. So speed of Vishu is equal to this much, or I can write 17.4 is equal to 680, 17,585. So this will be close to 4.5 meter per second. Okay. Now speed of Vishu is equal to 4.5 meter per second. It is asking Vishu will complete the full race in how many minutes or how many seconds. So 900 meter with a speed of 4.5 meter per second can be written as 9000 by 45, which is equal to 200 second, that is equal to 3 minutes 20 second. Answer option C. Clear? This is the logic. If you understand this logic, you can solve this question. This is a quite logical question. You need to understand. Okay? Got it? Next. A goods train 350 meter long crosses 1250 meter long tunnel in 80 seconds. What is the speed of the goods train? So total distance 1250 plus 350 in 80 seconds, that is equal to 1600 by 80 seconds. 0 0 gone, 8 2s are 16, 1 0 over here. So this is 20 meter per second. I need to convert it into kilometer per hour. So it will be multiplied by 18 by 5. 5 4s are 20, 18 into 4 is equal to 72 km per hour. That is option A. Next, a train covers 450 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less to cover the same distance. How much time will it take to cover 450 km divided by, let's say the speed of train was s. Okay, when this was the total time, now the speed of train become 5 per hour more. So the time taken was 450 by s plus 5. This time taken is actually 1 hour less than this time taken. This is what it is talking about. Simple calculation. So this will be 450 by s plus 5 will come to this side. This will be come to that side. So 450 common. 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 5 is equal to 1. Or I can write s plus 5 minus s divided by s into s plus 5 is equal to 1 by 450. S gone, or I can write s into s plus s will come to this side. So s square plus 5s is equal to 450 into 5, that is equal to 2250. Or if I solve this, I can directly write, see 45 here, 5 into 10, 50. 50 minus 45 is equal to 5. So s square plus 50s minus 45s minus 2250 is equal to 0. Or I can write, simplify this quadratic equation, s plus 50 into s minus 45 is equal to 0. So the speed can be minus 50 or plus 45. Speed will be always positive. So speed is equal to 45 kilometer per hour. So it is speed 45. So usual speed 315 by 45 is equal to 5 9s are 45, 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15, 9 7s are 63. So in how much time it will travel? In 7 hours it will travel. As simple as that. Next, a train takes 1 minute to cross a stationary pole. How much time in seconds to cross the bridge whose length is twice the length of the train? Now understand, if let's say length of the train is equal to L, it takes 1 minute to cross this pole. That means total speed of the train is equal to L meter per second. Meter per minute, so it will be L by 60 meter per second. Now it is saying to cross a bridge whose length is twice that of train. So bridge length plus train length divided by speed of the train, L by 60, that is equal to 3L into 60 divided by L gone, that is equal to 180 second, that is equal to answer option D. Clear? Next, two trains are running in opposite direction with the same speed. If the length of each train is 120 meter and they cross each other in 8 seconds, then the speed of each train is what? See, opposite direction, total distance 120 plus x. This is the length of the second train in 8 seconds. Yes or no? Is equal to speed of train A plus speed of train B, but both the speed are equal. So this can be written as 2 into speed of train NEA. Or I can write 120 plus x is equal to, see, this is a very silly question. It is saying two trains are running in opposite direction with same speed if the length of each train is 120 meter. So 120 meter, 120 meter. In how many seconds? 8 seconds. Total 240 by 8 seconds, that is equal to 30 meter per second. Now it has to be converted into kilometer per hour, multiplied by 8 by 5. 5 6 is 30, 8 into 6 is equal to 108 kilometer per hour. Now you will say, sir, 108 kilometer per hour, here nothing is there. So we had committed some mistake. No. What is this? Total distance by total time is equal to relative speed. Now here relative speed in opposite direction means speed of train A plus speed of train B. Both are equal, so I can write 2 times speed of A is equal to 108 km per hour, or speed of A is equal to 108 by 2, that is equal to 54 km per hour. Answer option D. Clear? This is the mistake that normally students commit over here because of being a bit in hurry. Next, a train starts from point H and towards K at 6:30 p.m. with a speed of 90 km per hour. Another train starts from point K towards point H 7:30 p.m. with a speed of 72 km per hour. Both trains meet at point J at 11:30. So let's say this is K, H, this is K. They are meeting at point J, let's say here. Okay. So here this train started at 6:30. This train, this is PM. This train started at 7:30 p.m. They are reaching over here at 11:30 p.m. So how long this traveled? 5 hours. How long this travels? 4 hours. Speed here, first train 90 km per hour, second train 72 km per hour. Total distance travel 90 into 5 is equal to 450 km. This distance HJ, JK distance is equal to 72 into 4 is equal to 288 km. Now ratio of HJ into KJ, 450 by 288. Clear? Let me write it properly so that it won't create any confusion. 950 is a 150, 9 2 is a sorry, 9 3s are 27, 1 8 9 2s are 18, 2 25s are 50, 2 16s are 12. So the ratio is 25:16. Answer option B. Next, a train traveling at a speed of x km per hour crossed a 200-meter long platform in 30 seconds and overtook a man walking in the same direction at the speed of 6 km per hour in 20 seconds. What is the value of x? Now see, when he is crossing a man, total distance is equal to length of the train divided by relative speed, same direction mean speed of train minus speed of man. That is equal to time 20 seconds. Done? Sir, length divided by speed of the train x km per hour. So x into 5/18 minus speed of train is equal to 6 km per hour 5/18 because everything is in meter per second. That is equal to 20 seconds. Or I can write 18 in the upper part. 18L by 5x minus 30 is equal to 20. Or I can write 18 into length of train is equal to 100x minus 600. This is one thing. Second, it is saying 200-meter length of the platform. So total distance, total length of the platform plus length of the train traveling with speed of x km per hour is equal to total time taken 30 seconds. So I can write 200 plus L into 18 is equal to 5x into 30, that is 150x. Or I can write 18L is equal to 150x minus 3600. Yes or no? Now 18L common. So I can same. So I can write here 100x minus 600. Or here I can write 150 minus 100 is equal to 50x. 3600 minus 600 is equal to 3000. 0 0 gone. X is equal to 300 by 5 is equal to 60. Now this 60 is what your answer here, option. A train without stoppage travels with an average speed of 80 km and with stoppage it travels with an average of 72 km per hour. How many times does the train stop on an average per hour? So here required time is equal to what? 80 km per hour minus 72 km per hour. This is the total speed divided by 80 into 60 minutes. This can be written as 8 by 80 into 60. 8 10s are 80, 10 6s are 60. That means 6 times on 6 minutes per hour. So it is stopping for 6 minutes per hour. Clear? Next. A motorcycle is moving at the speed of 25 km per hour. Its speed is increased by 7 km per hour at the end of each hour. How much time will it take to cover the distance of 225 km? Now understand. Let's say first hour 225. Sorry, 25. Second hour it will take 25 plus 7. Third hour 32, this is 32 plus 7 and so on. So this is what an arithmetic progression. So sum of arithmetic progression is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? Yes. Sum is equal to 225. N is unknown. Multiplied by 2 into initial 25 plus n minus 1 into difference 7. Yes or no? Yes. Or I can write 225 into 2 is equal to 450 is equal to n into 50 plus 7n minus 7. Or I can write n into 7n plus 43. Clear? Which is equal to 400. Now n is what? The total time taken. From here I can calculate it, or I can use my brain, right? See, first hour 25, second hour 25 plus 7, third hour 25 plus 7 and 7 plus 7, that is 14, then 25 plus 14 plus 7 21 and so on. This is what it is, right? Now see, total distance is 225 km and here I am adding something, right? So here how many? 25 25 25 25 25 100 plus 7 into 14, 21 plus 21, 42. So how much distance gone? 142 distance gone. Then in the next hour 25 distance will be covered. That is equal to 167 plus 21 plus 7 is equal to 28. That is equal to 8 sevens are 15. 16 into 2 18 plus 1 195. Then again on the 6th after 5th hour. So what is the remaining? 5 hour is gone, Okay, 25 plus 28, 5 hour is gone. So in the next hour, how much distance is there? 225 minus 195 is equal to 30. So this 30 distance will be covered in how much speed? 25 plus 35, that is equal to 60 speed, 30 distance. So it will take 0.5 hours. So total time is equal to 5 hours plus 0.5 hour, that is equal to 5.5 hour, or you can write 11 by 2 hour. Answer option A. In both way you can find your answer. Here you have to try it out. Here you can use your brain. That's all. Next. X and Y are two train stations which are 280 km apart. A train starts at a certain time from X and travel towards Y at 60 km per hour. After 2 hours, another train starts from Y and travels towards X at 20 km per hour. Not an issue. After how many hours does this train leaving X meets the train which left from Y? Now see, total distance 280. Here it is traveling at 60 km per hour. Here it is traveling at 20 km per hour. Okay. So after 2 hours of the first train, another train is traveling. So in the next 2 hours, how much distance is gone? 120 distance is gone. Now what is the distance remaining? 280 minus 120 is equal to 160. Now this 160 distance will be covered by both and they are moving in the opposite direction. So 60 plus 20 is equal to 80 in 2 hours. Yes or no? Yes. So they will be meeting after 2 hours. Here it has already traveled for 2 hours. So total time taken by this first train which is moving from X towards Y is 4 hours. Next. Okay, my bad. After how many hours does the train leaving from X meets the train? Okay, right. Next. Mohan covered a certain distance by a car. If he covers 30% of the distance at a speed of 90 km per hour, 45% of the distance at speed of 135 km per hour, and the remaining distance at the speed of 75 km per hour, what is the average speed? Very basic question. I have already solved it, so I am giving you as a homework. Next. A student takes 1.25 hours to travel from home to school at a speed of 4 km per hour. By what percentage should he increase his speed to reduce the time by 25% to cover the same distance from the school to? Time was first 1.25 hours. Speed was 4 km per hour. So distance is equal to speed into time, that is equal to 5 km. Now the distance is remaining same, but this distance has been covered in 25% less time. That means 1.25 multiplied by 25% less means 3 by 4th time. Yes or no? Yes. So here I can write 5 into 4, 125 decimal gone, so 100 divided by 125 into 3. 25 4 is 100, 25 5 is 125, 5 5 gone, 4 4 is 16 by 3. So the total speed now, the new speed now is equal to 16 by 3 km per hour. Now what is the increment? See, previously it was 4. So 16 by 3 minus 4 divided by 4 into 100%, which can be written as 3 4s are 12. So 4 by 3 divided by 4 into 100%. 4 4 gone. So 1 by 3 into 100 is equal to 33. 1 by 3% increment in speed. Answer option A. Next. A man is running at a speed of 20 km per hour. What is the time taken by man to cover one round of a circular garden of radius to 350 meters? Now see, 350 meters total distance means what? The circumference 2 pi r, 2 into 20 by 22 by 7 into 350. That is equal to 750. So this will be 0. 5 4s are 20. 2 out here, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. In how many times? Sir, it's 20 km per hour. That is equal to 20 into 5 by 18. 1 0 0 gone. This is 18. 210. 5 22. So 18 will be multiplied. So 22 into 18, that is equal to 386. So the man will take how many seconds? 386 seconds to, sorry, 396, my bad. 396 seconds to cover this whole circular garden in one round. Next, in a circular race along a track 3600 meter, X and Y run at a speed of 27 km per hour, 45 km per hour. Suppose they start moving at the same time and in the same direction, then what time they will meet again? See, same direction means total length 3600 divided by this minus this 45 minus 27 is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. Here it is meter per second, so it will be multiply by 5 by 18. So 3600 5 is equal to 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 0. So that is equal to 720 second. After 720 second, they will be meeting each other from the starting point. Next, Shreya climbs a hill at a speed of 5 miles per hour and descends this hill at the speed of 7 miles per hour. It takes a total of 3 hours in the two-way journey. What is the distance between the top and the foot of the hill? Let's say the total distance of one side is equal to d, another side is also is equal to d. Okay, so let's say while he is going up, the time taken was t. Total time was 3 hours, so this was time will be 3 minus t hours. Clear? Now this distance will be what? Speed into time. So uphill is equal to distance is equal to 5 into time. Downhill distance is equal to speed 7 miles per hour into 3 minus t. Now both are equal. Yes or no? I can write 5t is equal to 21 minus 70, or you can write 12t is equal to 21, or you can write t is equal to 21 by 12, or this can be written as 7 by 4. If t is equal to 7 by 4, distance will be what? 7 into 3 21 into 21 minus 7 into 7 by 4, or it can be written as 84 minus 49 by 4. That is equal to 49 is 5, 7 4 is 30 divided by 4, 35 by 4 miles. That is equal to 4 8 is 32, 3 4 7 is 30 28, 2 0 4 5 is 20. So the distance is equal to what? 8.75 miles. Done. If it would have asked in kilometers, remember this, 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. You would have to multiply 1.6 kilometer with it. Done. Next, when fm m to the power 5 plus 5 m to the power 4 minus 3m plus 7 is divided by m minus 2, the remainder is what? Now see, when this sort of question is given, you will directly write it like this. Whatever is given, you will write it m minus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of m should be 2. Done. Now when value of m is equal to 2, so here m to the power 5 means 2 to the power 5 plus 5 into 2 to the power 4 minus 3 into 2 plus 7. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32 plus 2 to the power 4 16 plus 5 80 minus 6 plus 7, 8 into 80 plus 32 is equal to 112 plus 1, that is equal to 113. So the remainder will be 113. If it would have written that this sort of function fm is completely divisible by m minus 2, then if we would have put the value of 2 over this function fm, we would have got answer 0. If it is completely divisible. As this is not completely divisible, whatever we get, it will be the remainder. Next, x plus x is equal to this much, then what is the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube? Now in order to get x cube minus 1 by x cube, we need to find out x minus 1 by x. See, x minus 1 by x is equal to what? Square root of x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4. Clear? So x plus, that is 2 root 10 whole square minus 4, square root of that. 2 square is equal to 4, roots 10 square 10, 4 into 10 is equal to 40, minus 4 is equal to 32, square root is equal to 6. X minus 1 by x is equal to 6. Then this can be written as x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to 6 cube plus 3 into 6. That is equal to 216 plus 18. That is equal to 234. Answer option C. Next, 8aq plus bq plus 27cq is equal to 18abc. Now understand, 8aq can be written as 2a whole cube plus bq as it is. 27cq can be written as 3cq. Sir, here a is equal to 2a, b is equal to b, c is equal to 3c. If I multiply 3 with it, I will get what? 18abc. That means aq plus bq plus cq is equal to 3abc. That means a plus b plus c, whatever it is equal to 0. Yes or no? Yes. So I can write b plus 3c is equal to minus 2a. Answer option A. Next, 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. 2xy is equal to 7. Then find the value of 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y whole square can be written as 3x plus 2y whole square minus 4 into AB, that is 3x into 2x, that is equal to 6xy. Yes or no? Yes. 3x plus 2y is equal to 10 square minus 4 into 2x is equal to 7. 3x is equal to 7 into 3. Or I can write 100 minus 12 sevens are 84. That is equal to 16. Square is equal to this much. So if I take square root, I'll get my answer. That is equal to answer 4. Option B. Next, the relation between k and k for which the system of linear equation kx plus. Okay, I think there is a typo. It would have been k1x. Here it would have been k2y. So in order of coincident lines, it should be, let's say one line is a1x, another is b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Second, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Coincident means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here a1 is equal to k1 by a2 is equal to 4, which should be b1 3 by k2, which should be 8 by 16, that is equal to 1 by 2. So I can write k1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, or k1 is equal to 2. Here I can write 3 by k2 is equal to 1 by 2, or k2 is equal to 6. So what is the relation? See, k2 is equal to 3 into k1, because 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So here k2 is equal to 3 into k1, the right answer. Clear? Next, if a plus this, then what is the value of it? Simple, just direct formula, so it is a homework. If 2a minus b is equal to 3, 8aq minus bq is equal to this much, what is the value of this? Now see, in this question, without solving it, I can do it. Say 4a square minus b square is equal to what? 2a plus b into 2a minus b. Sir, 2a minus b into 2a plus b means what? The answer should be multiple of 3. Now see, among all these, only C answer is multiple of 3. So my right answer is option C. Now this sort of question I am solving within 10 seconds without pen and paper. Next, let a plus b is equal to 2c. Then which of the following expression is true? So it is saying a square minus 2bc is equal to b square minus 2a. Okay. A square plus 2bc is equal to b square plus 2ac, or a square plus 2ac. Here I can write a plus b is equal to c plus c, or I can write a minus c is equal to c minus b. If I square it, it will be a square minus 2ac plus c square is equal to c square plus b square minus 2bc. C square gone. So answer is equal to a square minus 2ac is equal to b square minus 2bc, or this can be written as a square minus 2bc will come to this side, that is plus 2bc. B square minus 2bc will come to this side, that is 2ac. That is right answer, answer option A. Next, if a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2 into a plus c minus 1, then the value of aq plus bq plus cq is equal to what? Now see, here it is written as a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2 into a plus c minus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Or I can write here a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2a plus 2c minus 2, or I can write a square minus 2a minus 1, sorry, plus 1 plus b square plus c square minus 2c plus 1 is equal to 0. I am taking everything from here to this side, and minus 2 will be plus 2 over here, and plus 1 distributed. This whole thing can be written as a minus 1 whole square. This is b square. This whole thing can be written as c minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Yes or no? Yes. That means here a minus 1 is 0, so a value is 1. B square is 0, that means b value is 0. C minus 1 is 0, that means C is equal to 1. So A1, B0, C1. A cube is equal to 1 cube 1, B cube 0, C cube 1, that is equal to answer option B. Next. Find the value of A and B for which the system of equation 3x plus y by y is equal to 3 and AB into x plus A plus B into y is equal to 3A plus B minus 3 has infinite solution. Now see, when a equation will have an infinite solution, it can be written as when A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Here A1 is what? 3. A2 is equal to AB. B1 is equal to what? 1. B2 is equal to A plus B. C1 is equal to 3. C2 is equal to 3A plus B minus 3. Clear? Now, just simply solve it. So here I can write 3 gone. So 3A plus B minus 3 is equal to AB. This is one equation. Here it can be written as 1 by A. So it is 3A plus B minus 3 is equal to 3A plus 3B, or this can be written as 3A gone. So 3B minus B is equal to 2B is equal to minus 3, or B value is equal to minus 3 by 2. Clear? When B is equal to minus 3 by 2, A can be what? Sir, here 3A plus minus 3 by 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by 2A, or I can write 3A plus 3A by 2 is equal to, this will go to this side, 2 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9 by 2. I can write 6A, that is 9A by 2 is equal to 9 by 2, 2 gone, 9 gone. So the value of A is equal to 1. Here I think there is a something wrong. This will be 1, so this will be 1. Okay, then answer B will be the right answer. Next, x varies directly with the cube of y. So x varies directly with the cube of y. That can be written as x is equal to k y cube, and inversely with the square of z. So x directly 1 by z square, or it can be written as x is equal to k by z square, or the both equation can be written as x is equal to k y cube by z square. If x is equal to 1 by 36, when y2 and z cube, so 1 by 36 is equal to k into y2 8, z square 9, 9 4 are 36, so k is equal to 1 by 4 into 8 is equal to 1 by 32. Then what is the value of 800x? So 800 into x is equal to 1 by 32 multiplied by y cube, that is 27, divided by z square, that is 25. Clear? Now x is equal to 27 divided by 32 into 25 into multiply by 800 here. So here it will be multiplied by 800. Now 25 4s are 100. So 8 here, 8 4s are 32, 4 gone. So x is equal to 27. Answer option A. Next, if 0.4x plus 0.16y is equal to 1.7 and 0.3x is equal to 0.12y is equal to 3.4, then which of the following is correct? See, here this is A1, this is A2, this is B1, this is B2, this is C1, and this is C2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. This means 0.4 by 0.3, 0.16 by 0.12, 1.7 by 3.4. This can be written as 1 by 2. This can be written as 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, or this can be same as 4 by 3. That means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. That means they will have no common solution. Clear? Next, Cindy bought 15 apples and 12 oranges. It paid a sum of this. I have already solved in my class, so this is a homework. I have solved this in rapid revision series. Next, the equation as is ax plus a square plus y1 into y is equal to 4, 4x plus ay is equal to a square. Which of the following statement is true? See, in such questions, I will suggest without wasting time, you can directly try the value. You can directly put the value. It is given a, if a is minus 12, x and y will be this much. So you can take either the C minus 12 over in both cases and 6 in both cases. So if you take minus, so minus 12x plus minus 12 square is equal to 144 plus 1 into y is equal to 4. So I can write minus 12x plus 145y is equal to 4. In the second case, this will be 4x plus minus 12y is equal to minus 12 square, that is 144. If I multiply it by 3, that will be 12x minus 36y is equal to 4 3 is 12, 14 3 is 42 plus 1 43. If I add it, this will be 5 6 9, 13 3 10 divided by 4 plus 3 4 3 6, or 109 4 is 436. Y value 4. If y is equal to 4, x will be 4x is equal to 144 plus 48, that is equal to 192. So x value is equal to 4 4 is 16, 4 8 is 32. So answer x value 48, y value 4. Answer option A. This way you can check out the full question without solving or without simplifying the question. Two equations have no solution when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So here a1 1 by 1 minus a is equal to minus a by 6 should not be equal to 2 minus a by a plus b. When you find out the relation, you will get the answer. So this is a basic homework for all of you. Next, a plus b plus c is equal to 7 by 12. 3a minus 4b plus 5c is equal to 3 by 4. 7a minus 11b minus 13c is equal to minus 7 by 12. Then find what is the value of a plus c. This is simple simplification. You have just to cross multiply each other and find the value of a plus c. Okay. So I will not solve it, but the correct answer is 5 by 12. Next, root 5 x cube minus 81 root 3 y cube divided by root 5x minus 3 root 3y is equal to x square plus by square plus xy. Now understand, 5 root 5 x cube can be written as root 5x whole cube minus 81 root 3 cube can be written as 3 root 3 y cube divided by root 5x minus 3 root 3y. AQ minus BQ can be written as a minus b into a square. So a minus b into a square plus ab, that is equal to 3 root 15y plus b square 27y square divided by root 5x minus 3 root 3y. Now this will cross each other, this will be remaining, which is equal to ax square plus by square plus 6ay. So a value is equal to 5, b value is equal to 27, c value is equal to 3 root 15. It is saying 6a, that means 30, plus b, that means 27, minus root 15 into 3 root 15, that is equal to 57 minus 45, that is equal to 12. Answer option D. Next, 2x minus y whole cube plus x plus 2y cube is equal to x minus y into ax square plus bxy. Then what is the value of a? See, this is a, let's say 2x plus y whole cube minus x plus 2y whole cube. So let's say this is my a, this is my b. aq minus bq is equal to what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So I can write 2x plus y minus x minus 2y into x square, that is 4x square plus y square plus 4xy plus ab, that means 2x plus y into x plus 2y into b square, that means x square plus 4y square plus 4xy. Clear? Now x gone, so x, y minus 2y is equal to minus y, x minus y into 4x square plus y square plus 4xy, but here x square plus y square, so directly I will write 5x square, 4y plus y, 5y square, 4x plus 4xy, 8xy, two things gone. Now here 2x into x, 2x square, 2x plus 2y, 4xy, x plus y, xy, y, 2y plus y is equal to 2y square. Now again if I solve it, x minus y into 5x square plus 2x square, 7x square, 5y square plus 2y square, 7y square, 8xy plus 5xy, 13xy. So a, I can write 7 into x square plus y square plus 13xy, which is equal to x square. So the value of a is equal to 7, value of b is equal to 13. So 2 into 7, that is 14, minus 13, that is equal to 1. Answer option C. Next, find the, this is find, okay. Find the mean of prime numbers between 20 and 45. So what are the prime numbers between 20 and 45? 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. Clear? Now mean means what? Add total 3, 9, 12, 13, 20, 21, 24, 2 out here, 4, 4, 8, 2, 10, 13, 16, 18, 20, divided by 3, 3, 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Answer option B. Next, find the median of the following. Median means first we'll arrange it in the ascending order. So 10, 15, 18, 20, 21, 25, 28, 30, 35. How many numbers? 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. Median is equal to the middlemost point, that is 21. Answer option D. Next, if the marks obtained by 15 students out of maximum 25 in examination are this much, then find then the final product of the uh, mode of the number of students. See here, mode means what? Mode means whichever is repeated maximum number of times. Say 13, 13, 13 twice, 11 once, 16 once, 15 twice, 12, 13, 14, 10. So there are two numbers, 13 and 15. So their product will be 13 into 15, that is equal to 13 5 is 65, 13 195. So answer option D. Next, find the mode of the given distribution. See, I am not solving it because this is direct formula based. So whenever the concept will be associated, I will solve it. That's why I am not solving it. There is no other motive behind it. So this is a homework. Direct formula. Next, find the median. Same way, this is a homework for all of you. The median of a set of 11 different observations is 73.2. Each of the largest 5 observations in the set is increased by 3. The median of this new set is what? See, median means what? Middlemost point. So here 5, here 5. Here 5 remains the same. Now in this last 5, it is increased by plus 3. So what? This middle value won't change. So it remains the same as the median of the original set. Next, find the standard deviation of the following data. So in standard deviation, you need to first understand that what is the value of standard deviation. First, we need to find the mean. Mean is equal to what? 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 7, 19 by 4. That is equal to 4, 4 is 16. 4.5 was the mean. Now I need to find the standard deviation, that is equal to 5 minus 4.5 whole square plus 3 minus 4.5 whole square plus 4 minus 4.5 whole square plus 7 minus 4.5 whole square divided by 4 square root of that. That can be written as square root of 4 is equal to 2. Here this is 0.5 whole square, this is 0.25. Here this is 1.5 whole square, that is equal to 2.25. Here this is 0.5 whole square, that is 0.25. Here it is 2.5 whole square, that is equal to 6.25. Square root of that. 0.25, 0.25, 5, 0.25, 1, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So square root of 9 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2, that is equal to 1.5, which is approximately 1.48. Clear? Next, the mean of a sample data is 60 and the median is 48. Find the mode of this distribution. See, empirical formula, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 into median, 48 minus 2 into 60, that is equal to 144 minus 120, that is equal to 24. Answer option D. Next, the numbers, these are arranged in ascending order. If mean of these numbers is equal to median of the numbers, find the value of n. So this is an ascending order. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers. So median is equal to what? Median is 10. Now mean means what? 5 plus 7, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 25, 55 plus n divided by how many numbers? 3, 3, 6 plus 1, 7 is equal to 10. So this can be written as 55 plus n is equal to 70, or the value of n is equal to 15. That is answer option C. Next, in a week the weight of a bag of tea is 350 kg, 280 kg, 340, 270, 360, 310. Find the range. Range means maximum minus minimum. Here maximum value is equal to what? 360. Minimum value is equal to 270. Answer 90. Option C. Clear? Next, geometry. In the figure shown above, quadrilateral PQRS has vertices circumference. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, it is saying O is the center. Now understand, whatever is the angle made over here, this is the twice of the angle made on any point of the circle. So if this is 20 degree, 20x degree, so this will be 10x degree. Yes or no? Now here if I am joining this point is equal to a 26x degree. Now you know, in cyclic quadrilateral, if opposite angles are added, it will get us what? It will get us value of 180 degree. So 36x degree is equal to 180 degree. X value is equal to 5. Answer option A. Next, in a rhombus A, B, C, D, O is an interior point so that OA is equal to OC. So let's say this is a rhombus. Okay, so this is a point O. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So it is saying OA is equal to OC. Okay, it is saying what is the 5/9 of angle DOB. Now remember, in rhombus the diagonals bisect each other and they form 90 degree angle. That means this total angle is 180 degree. So 5/9 into 180 degree, that is 9, 20 is a 180. So 20 into 5 is equal to 100 degree. Answer option C. Clear? Next, PQR are the three angles of a triangle. So PQR are the three angles of the triangle. PQR, P minus Q 20 degree, Q minus R 26 degree. So what is the value of? So I know P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. Here if I put P minus Q, I will get what? 20 degree. So when I add it, I will get 2P plus R is equal to 200 degree. This is my one equation. In the second equation, if I use P plus Q plus R is equal to 180, Q minus R is equal to 26, R are gone, P plus 2Q is equal to 206 degree. This is another equation. Yes or no? And if I add both, P minus Q plus Q minus R is equal to 20 plus 26, 46 degree, or I can write P minus R is equal to 46 degree. So if I put P minus R is equal to 46 degree over here, I will get, if I add both, 3P is equal to 246. So P value is equal to 246 by 3, that is equal to 81 degree. So what is the value of, 82 degree. So what is the value of P? 82 degree. Done. Next, from a point A which is at a distance of 17 centimeter from the center C of a circle with radius 8 centimeter, the pair of tangent AB AD to the circle are drawn. So this is a circle. This is point center C. This is a point A. AB is a tangent. AD is another tangent. Okay. The area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Clear? Now see. This is 90 degree. Yes or no? Yes. It is saying which is at a distance of 17 centimeters. So this total distance is 17 centimeter. This distance, circle radius is 8. Yes or no? And this value is 90 degree. Same here, 8, 90 degree. This is what? Sir, this is the hypotenuse. So 17 square minus 8 square. So 289 minus 64 is equal to 225. So this is 15. This is 15. So the area of this triangle is equal to half into B into H, that is equal to 60. So both 60 centimeter square here, 60 centimeter square here. Total value 120 centimeter square. Next, let C be the circle with a center O, PQ be the minor arc on C. Let R and S be the 2 points on major arc PQ. If PQ subtends an angle of 80 degree at O, find PRQ, PSQ respectively. So this is a circle. This is the point O, PQ over here. Let R and S be the 2 points on here. Let's say R here. Let's say S here. PQ subtends an angle 80 degree. So this is 80 degree. Then what is the value of PRQ? Center, that means this is 40 degree. PSQ, again center, so this is also 40 degree. Answer option C. Next, two equal circles passes through each other's center. If the radius of each of the circle is certain centimeter, what is the length of common chord? Direct formula 13 root 3. I have already solved it in a rapid revision series. Next, the altitude from two verticals of a triangle to the opposite sides are equal. Then the triangle will be what? See, this is a direct form. See, this is a very direct formula question. Two altitudes of two verticals are opposite sides are equal. That means this is isosceles triangle. Next, PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. PT is the median. Which of the following is correct? PQ square plus PR square. Direct formula Apollonius theorem. 2PT square plus QT square. Answer option A. Next, this is Apollonius theorem. A circular arc makes an angle 50 degree at the center. If the radius of the circular arc is 14 centimeter, what is the perimeter of the sector so formed? So this is a circle. Let's say this is a circular arc 14, 14. This is making a 15 degree value. So it is asking about what is the perimeter. So perimeter means this value plus 14 plus 14. Okay. So this much is equal to what? Theta by 360 into 2 into pi 3.14 into R 14 plus 28. 15 2s are 30, 15 4s are 60, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 24, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 24. Okay, so this can be written as 7 into 1.77 are 49, 7 5s are 15, 7s are 105 plus 4 109 divided by 3 plus 28. That can be written as 84 plus 10, that is 94.99 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So this is approximately, so sorry, 19, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. So this is 31.66 centimeter. Next, a chord of larger among two concentric circles is of length 20 centimeter and it is tangent to the smaller circle. What is the area of the annular portion between two circles? So let's say this is one circle, concentric, that means same center. This is smaller center. It is saying the chord of this larger circle is tangent to this. Okay, chord length is 20 centimeters. So this point, this is 10. From this point, this is 10, and it is tangent to smaller. So what is the area in centimeter square of the annular portion between the two circles? Let's say this is O, this is P, this is A, this is B. Okay, so we know the value of AB is equal to 20 centimeter. So AP is equal to PB is equal to 10 centimeter. Yes or no? Yes. Now in this triangle OPM, OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square, or PA square, you can write it as it is. Sir, let's say OP square is the larger R, OP is the smaller R, plus 100, or I can write R square minus R square is equal to 100. Yes or no? Yes. Now it is asking about area between annular portion, means area between these two circles. So that means pi into R square minus R, that is equal to pi into 100. So answer is 100 pi, option A. Clear? Next, from a circle of radius 7 units, arc length is cut by a chord of length 7 units. What is the arc length of the smaller portion? Now remember this, chord length is equal to 2 into radius into sine theta by 2. Theta is what? The angle, central angle subtended by the chord. Okay. Here 7 units is the chord length, is equal to 2 into radius 7 into sine theta by 2. 7 7 gone, so I can write sine theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So theta by 2 is equal to 30 degree. So theta value is equal to 60 degree. Yes or no? Yes. If theta value is equal to 60 degree, arc length is equal to what? R into theta, and theta is in radian value. So 30 degree in radian value can be written as pi by 3. So R value 7 into pi by 3 is the answer. That is option A. Next, PQ and RS are common tangents to two circles intersecting A at A and B. A and B, when produced on the both sides, meet the tangents PQ and RS at X and Y respectively. If AB is 3 cm, XY is 5 cm, find the value of PQ. Two circles are intersecting at A and B. Let's say A, B here. Now PQ is here, RS is here. Okay, so this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is A. When this AB is produced, this is meeting at X and meeting at Y. This is X, this is Y. This is what it is given. XY value is 5. AB, this much value, is equal to 3 centimeter. XA is equal to XB, because this is the, now see, this much is 3. This will be 1, this will be 1, as we know it. Now let's think about this picture only. My design is very bad. So this is a circle. Let's say this is a point X. And let's say this is how it is crossing the circle. So this is P, this is X, this is A, this is B. Let's say, okay. Now we know Px square is equal to XA into XB. Yes or no? Yes. Px square means what? We don't know what is the value. So we'll keep it as it is. XA means what? 1. XB means what? 3 plus 1, 4. So Px square is equal to 4. Px value is equal to square root of 4. That is equal to 2. So if Px is equal to 2, XQ, we can similarly find, and it will get us the value of 2. So the total value of PQ is equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4 centimeter. Answer option D. Because this will the same thing, because this value is similar for this circle as well. Okay. Next, P and Q are the centers of two circles whose radius are 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively. If the direct common tangent to the circle meet PQ extended at A, then A divides PQ in the ratio of what? Direct common tangent of two circles divide the line joining their centers externally. Remember this word, externally, in the same ratio of their radius. Now externally same ratio 7:3, so answer option B. You need to remember this. This is a very important question. If you remember this, within 2 seconds you will answer this question. Next, a pair of straight lines from an external point F intersects a circle at A and B. FA is less than FB and touches the circle at C. Now you need to understand the language. So this is a circle. This is a point F. Now there are two straight lines. First straight line is intersecting the circle at A and at B. Second is touching the circle at C. Okay, and O is the center. Let's say O is here, it is the center. It is saying ACF. So this angle is equal to what? 50 degree. AFC, this angle is equal to 30 degree. So this value is equal to by default 100 degree. CAF or AFC. It is talking about what is the value of this angle AO and B. Clear? Now if I join this will be what? A tangent. So this is 90 degree. So this is 50 means this is 40 degree. This is 40 degree. This is 100 degree. Now you can't guess this is on the straight line. Okay. So you need to understand this. Now this whole line is 180 degree, 100, 40, 40 gone. So this much is 40. Now if this is 40, this is also 40 degree. So this part will be 100 degree. Answer option A. Next, the side of an equilateral triangle is 28 centimeter. Tracking each vertex as the center of a circle or described with a radius equal to half of the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the part of the triangle which is not included. That means, so this is a equilateral triangle. I have solved this in the rapid revision series. Let's say here this is a circle, here this is a circle, here this is a circle. It is asking about this area. Okay. Now understand, if 28 centimeter is the side, area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Yes or no? Yes. Now area of these all circles is equal to what? See, the radius is half of this side, that is 14 centimeter, and this is 60 degree. So this is equal to 60 by 360 degree into pi r square, 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14, 7 2s are 14, 2 3s are 6. So this is 14 into 2, 28, 28, 308 by 3. This is the area of one triangle multiplied, one circle multiplied by 3. So total area is 308 centimeter square. And the total area of the circle is equal to what? 28 square into root 3 by 4. Root 3 can be written as 28 square is equal to 784 into root 3 by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 3 8, 4 9s are 36, 4 6s are 24. So this can be written as 196 into 196 into 1.73. So if I solve this, 6 3 18 0 339.08. So this total value is 33. Total area of the triangle is 339.08 minus the area of this circle is 308. So remaining is 31.08 centimeter square. That is equal to option B. Next, R is a point outside the circle and it is 18 centimeter away from the center. A secant drawn from the point R intersects the circle at point A and B in such a way that R is 7, AB 5. Then what is the radius of the circle? Now see, this is a circle. This is a point R. Something is drawn like this. RA, AB, RA 7, AB 5. From the center, this distance is equal to 18 centimeter. Then it is asking what? Find the radius of the circle. If I extend this, let's say this is O, this is Q. Okay, so I can write RA into RB is equal to RO into R. Radius we do not know, so this is R. So this will be R. Sorry, R not RO. It will be R this point. Let's say this point is C. Okay, RC into RQ. Yes or no? Yes. See, from this point to this point is 18. So this much distance is equal to 18 minus R. And this total distance will be 18 plus R, which is equal to RA 7 into 1284. So 18 into R plus 18 plus R is equal to 18 square minus R square. 18 square is equal to 324 minus R square is equal to 84. Or I can write 8 square is equal to 324 minus 84, which is equal to 240. So R value is equal to what? Square root of 240. That is equal to 4 root 15. Answer option B. Next, from a point T, a tangent TP at a point P is drawn to the circle with center O. A secant TQR point Q is nearer to the point T is drawn from the point T. PQR is inscribed into a circle by joining the 2 points PQR. Draw lines OQ and OR if PTQ is this much. So this is a triangle. So this is a point O, this is a point T, TP is this, a secant TQR. TQR is drawn. So this is Q, this is R. PQR, this is a circle inside, this is a triangle inside the circle. It is saying OQ and OR are drawn. PTQ is equal to 27 degree. TPQ is equal to 55 degree. What is the value of ROQ? If this is 55, this is 27. This value will be 100 minus 82. That is equal to 98 degree. Now see, if I join this is a tangent. So this total value is 90 degree, out of which 55 is gone. So this is 35 degree. This is 35 degree, 70 is gone. So this much value is equal to what? 110 degree. Clear? Now see, this total value is 98 plus 35. That is equal to 133. So this remaining is equal to what? 47 degree. So this is 47 degree. So total 94 gone. Remaining is equal to what? 86 degree. Answer option A. Next, AB is the chord of the circle with center at O. A line segment DOC originating from a point D on the circumference of the circle in the major segment meets AB produced to at C such that BC is equal to OD. So this is a circle, okay, point at O. It is saying AB is a chord. A line segment DOC originating from point D on the circumference, let's say this, okay, this is D, in major segment meets AB produced. So AB is produced and DOC, it is meeting here C, such that BC, this value BC is equal to OD. Clear? And BCO, this angle is equal to 30 degree. Then what is the value of angle AOD? Now see, this is equal to this because these are the radius. Clear? Also equal to this because of the radius. So if this is 30, this is also 30. So this value is equal to 120. If this is 120, this is 60, this is 60, this is 60. So 60, 30, 90 gone. So the remaining is equal to 90 degree. Answer option D. Next, O is a point located in triangle ABC such that OA 12 cm, OC 9 cm, AOB, BOC, COA and ABC 60 degree. What is the length of OB? So let's say this is a triangle, okay, ABC. This is a point O. OA is equal to 12. OC is equal to 9 cm. AOB, this angle is equal to BOC is equal to COA. That means this is 120, this is 120, this is 120 degree. ABC, this total value is equal to 60 degree. Then what is the length of OB? If the whole is 60, if I take theta, this will be 60 degree minus theta. If this is theta, this will be 60 degree minus theta because this whole triangle is 180 degree. Now if this is 60 degree minus theta, this will be theta. Clear? Now OAB triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCB because this value triangle AOB is equal to angle BOC. Then angle OAB is equal to angle OBC. Angle OBA is equal to angle OCB. Yes or no? Yes. That means I can write OA by OB is equal to OB by OC. Yes, OA is given what? 12. OB is given what? Unknown. OB here unknown. OC 9. So OB square is equal to 12 into 9. Or OB is equal to square root of 12 into 9, that is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. Answer option C. Next, the exterior angle obtained on producing the base of a triangle both ways are 121 degree and 104 degree. What is the measure of the largest angle of the triangle? Now see, this is a triangle, okay? So this is produced, this is produced. Exterior angle 121 degree, this is 104 degree. So this much will be 76 degree, this much will be 59 degree. 76, 59, 85, 50, 135. So this much is equal to 45 degree. So what is the largest? 76 degree. Next, ABC in a triangle, the midpoint of AB and AC are respectively x and y. BC plus xy is 18 units. What is the value of BC minus xy? So let's say ABC is a triangle. Midpoint of AB and AC are x, y. If this is 1, this is 2. So 3 part is equal to 18 means 1 part is equal to 6. So this will be 6, this will be 12. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 centimeter. Next, if AM is the midpoint of the side of BC of a triangle ABC, area of ABM is equal to 19 centimeter square, then what is the area of ABC? So M is the midpoint. ABM is 19. So this will be also 19. Answer option 38 centimeter square. ABC, median BE intersects AC at point E. A, B, C. Median BE intersects at this point. So this is equal to this was. BG is the centroid. So this is 12 centimeter. So this much is 6 centimeter. So BE equal to what? 18 centimeter. Next, in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. That means this is an isosceles triangle. PQR respectively are the midpoints of AB, BC and AC. Okay. If PR, this value is equal to 5 centimeter, then BC is equal to what? 10 centimeter. What is the value of QR? Now AB is equal to BC. That means the value of AB is equal to 10. If the value of AB is equal to 10, QR is equal to 5. Answer option A. Next, in a triangle ABC, point D lies on AB, point E and F lie on BC and DF. Point E and F lie on BC such that DF is parallel to AC and D is parallel to AF. So this is a triangle ABC. Point D lies on AB. So this is, let's say, D. EF lie on BC. So E here, F here. Such that DF is parallel to AC. So this is point F. DF is parallel to AC. BE value is equal to 4 centimeter. CF is equal to 3 centimeter. Then find the value of EF. Now AF and DE are parallel to each other. If this is 4, this will be 4. So first, DF is parallel to AC. So BD by AB is equal to DF by BF, my bad. BF by BC. In second case, BD by AB is equal to BE by EC. Sorry, BC. And in this triangle, it will be BD by AB is equal to BE by BF. So I can write BE by BF can be written as BF by BC. Clear? So if I cross multiply, BF square is equal to BE into BC. Let's say EF is equal to X. So BF is equal to 4 plus X whole square is equal to BE 4 into 7 plus X. Or I can write 16 plus X square plus 8X is equal to 28 plus 4X. Or I can write X square plus 4X plus 16 is equal to 28. Or it can be written as X square plus 4X minus 12 is equal to 0. Or this can be written as X square plus 6X minus 2X minus 12 is equal to 0. So this can be written as X plus 6 into X minus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of X can be minus 6 or plus 2. Minus 6 cannot be taken, plus 2 can be taken. So this value is equal to 2. Answer option C. Next, In a triangle ABC, AM is perpendicular to BC. AN is the bisector of angle A. What is the measure of AM? MAN. That is equal to C. B minus C by 2. 55 minus 35, that is equal to 20, divided by 2 is equal to 10. These are degree, 10 degree. Answer option B. Next. If A and B are the lengths of two sides of a triangle such that product AB is equal to 24, A, B are the integers, then how many such triangles are possible? The goal is simple. A, B, C should be in such a way A minus B should be less than C should be less than A plus B. That's all. Okay. Now, AB is equal to 24. Let's say A is equal to 1, B is equal to 24. So this can be written as 23, C 25. So C value is equal to 24. So for 224, this will be 22, C 26. C value is equal to 23, 24, 25. Sorry, 2 into 12, my bad. So it will be 10, 12 plus 2, 14. So this will be 11, 12 and 13. Then it is 3 into 8. So this is 5, C 11. That means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. C value. These are the number of possible triangles. Then 4 into 6. That is equal to 2, C 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I calculate all this, so how many possible values are there? This total count is equal to 16. So 16 possible values are there to do this. Next, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. P is 3 times of R and S is 4 times of. So let's say this is a cyclic quadrilateral like this. Okay. PQRS. P is 3 times of R. If this is X, this is 3X. 4X is equal to 180. So this is equal to 45. This is equal to 135 degree. S is 4 times of Q. So this is 4Y. This is Y. So this is 36 degree. This is equal to 144 degree. Sum of S and R, 144 plus 45 is equal to 189 degree. Next, in the given figure, A, B, C, D and B, E, F, G are the square of side 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So this is a square first. This square is 8 centimeter. Then here it is another square. A, B, C, D. Okay, this is 6 centimeter. This is 6, this is 6 and this is 6. So this is 2. This one is 2. Okay. It is asking about what is the value of the shaded region. So if this is total 8, this is 2. This much part is equal to what? 8 square 64 minus 4 60. That is equal to 2 root 15. Or this total area of, let's say this is E. Area of ADE is equal to half 8 into 2. That is equal to 8. So this part is 8. This part is 36. Okay. And this remaining. Now in this triangle, it is also 8 too. So this is also 8. So triangle DCG, it is also 8. BEFG is equal to 36. Total value is equal to 64. So 64 minus 36 plus 8 plus 8, that is equal to 64 minus 36, 8, 44, 44 plus 8, 52 is equal to 12 centimeter square. Option B is the right answer. Next, in triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. This is not 900, this is 90 degree. Okay. So BAC, this is 90 degree. BC is equal to 25 centimeter. What is the length of the median AD? 12.5. Next, PQ is a chord of a circle. The tangent XR at a point X on the circle intersects the produced side PQ at R. XR is this one. So this is a circle. PQ is a chord. R here. XR is a tangent. PQ value is equal to given Q. XR is 12. PQR is equal to x minus 2. So 12 square is equal to x minus 2 into 2x minus 2. So 144 is equal to 2x square minus 2x minus 4x plus 4. That can be written as 2x square minus 6x plus 4. Or if I divide it by 2, it will be 7 to 2 is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, or x square minus 3x minus 70 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to x square minus 10x plus 7x minus 70 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 into x plus 7 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 10 or minus 7. So the value will be option A, that is 10. Next, two circles of radius 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter are concentric. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So this is a circle. This is a circle. These are concentric. So this much is 12. The larger circle is 13. So this is a chord touching it. So 12, 13. So this much will be 169 plus 12, 144. So this is equal to 5. So if this is 5, this is also 5. So the chord total length is equal to 10 centimeter. Next, in this given figure, it is given that 81, 9, 90. That means angle BAC will be 90 degree. So by default angle BDC will be also 90 degree because of the same segment. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. BC is the diameter of the corresponding circle on such a way that AD also lie. So this is a circle. BC is the diameter. ABCD is the cyclic quadrilateral. Clear? Now it is saying BCA is equal to 19 degree. This is 90 degree. So this much value is equal to what? 109. So this is 71. Now CAD, this angle is given what? 32 degree. See, if this is 71 in cyclic quadrilateral, this is 180 degree minus 71, that is equal to 109 degree. If this is 109, this is 32, 141 is gone. So this is equal to 39 degree. Answer option B. Next, chord AB and CD of a circle when produced to meet at a point P, AB 6.3. So this is a circle. AB is produced, CD is produced, A to B 6.3, sorry, AB 6.3, B to P is equal to 4.5, CD is equal to 3.6. What is the length of PD? Very simple, you take it x. So direct you can write 4.5 multiplied by 10.8 is equal to x into x plus 3x, x plus 3.x. Clear? And if you solve it, you will get your answer. Next, PA, PB are tangents down to the circle of center O. AB are from the external point of P such that APB is equal to 78 degree. So very basic question. So this is a triangle PBAB. This is O. Okay. OAB, OPB. It is saying APB is equal to 78 degree. What is the value of OAB? See, this angle will be what? Minus 78 degree. That is equal to 102 degree. If this is 70, so the remaining part, these are equal. So this is 39 degree. This is also 39 degree. Answer option B. It is saying a circle touches all four sides of a quadrilateral PQRS. PQ 11, QR 12, PS 8 cm. What is the length of RS? So this is a circle. It is touching all four sides of quadrilateral PQRS. Okay. So let's say this is how it looks. Okay. PQRS. So if PQ is 11, QR 12, PS 8. What is the PS 8? What is the value of QR? Now say this is X. This one is 8 minus X. So this will be 8 minus X. So let's say this is point A. This is B. This is C. this is D. Because PB is equal to PA. So the remaining part AQ is equal to 11 minus 8 minus X, that is equal to 3 plus X. If this is 3 plus X, this will be 3 plus X. If this is 3 plus X, the remaining part will be 12 minus 3 plus X, that is equal to 9 minus X. So this will be 9 minus X. This will be X. 9 minus X plus X is equal to 9 centimeter. Answer RS is equal to 9 centimeter. Next, there are 8 equidistance points ABCD on a circle. What is the value of FDH? So A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 equidistance from the circle. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now each part makes an angle 360 degree divided by 8. That is equal to 8 4s are 32, 40, 8 5s are 40. So each angle is equal to 45 degree. It is asking what is the value of FDH. So FDH. Now see, this part, if we check, don't go by the design or the thing. See, this is equal to 45 degree. This is equal to 45 degree. That means this total is equal to what? 90 degree. So this much is by default 45 degree. Answer option B. Next, so it is an interesting question. It is saying two circles having radius 9 and 12 centimeter. Distance between their centers are 15 centimeter. So this is one circle. This is another circle. So the center distance is equal to what? 15 centimeter. It is asking about this chord length. Clear? Now this one are equal as their radius. This one are equal as their radius. Let's say this is O, this is P, this is A, this is B. Now see here, this distance is equal to 15. This distance is equal to 12. This is 9. That means this is a Pythagoras triplet. So this is a right angle triangle. So area of this triangle will be equal to what? Half into, let's say this is a point Q. So AQ is also the altitude of this triangle. So I can write area of OAP half into AQ into the base OP, or this is an equilateral right angle triangle, so it can be written as half into OA into AP. Sir, AQ is unknown, half gone, so AQ multiplied by OP is equal to what? 15 is equal to OA is 12 into 9, 3 5s are 4, 15, 3 4s are 12. So I can write AQ is equal to 36 by 5, which is equal to 5 7s are 35.2. So 7.2 centimeter is the length of the what? QR chord. No, that's wrong, because AQ is half of that. So it should be double of this. So multiply by 2, because we are finding AB. So 2 into 7.2 is equal to 14.4 centimeter. Because you are in a hurry to answer the question, that does not mean you should mark the wrong question. So with this, we are done with the fourth part. So I hope you have covered each and everything till now. And if you haven't covered, you have time. Your exam will be around second week of September. So you have ample amount of time to revise all these things at least twice. So that's all guys. See you in the next class. Ensure that you are solving this whole question at least twice.